What's up, YouTube? This is Chandler Black of the Notice Family Guy 231. As you can see, we have gotten more, and it just keeps on falling and falling and falling. Flakes are getting bigger. I don't even move this up. But the roof is, you can see it has more. I'd say, and the car's covering up more too. I'd say we probably have about 4 inches, 5 inches right now. So, it just keeps on coming. Yeah. This is a big one. It started at about 12:30, and right now it's about 4:10, 4:20. So this is crazy. It's lasted a good long while. Good thing is we're up on second floor, but we're okay. I'm just kind of filming this stuff to let you guys see how the blizzard is. I know some people, they're curious just to see what the heck's going on since we're up here in DC, because in DC they're calling it we're supposed to get the worst part of it, because I mean 18 to 25 inches is a lot of snow. So, and they're still calling it for tomorrow. I checked. It's gonna be crazy. It just keeps on coming. But anyway, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. I will get you on another update. Thank you and bye.